Hi friends, making this video regarding some engine work that I'm doing on my bike. So this is my Jawa 42 with a 300cc capacity. So I have clocked around 70,000 kilometers now on this bike, and it's about time to open the engine, check the condition of the valves, the timing chain definitely I need to change, and inspect the clutch and the bore as well. So I thought this would be an ideal time to do some upgrades as well. So this is a 350cc capacity bore from Classic Legends itself. So when I open up this engine to change the timing chain, inspect the valves and the cam, I will be putting on this block piston and checking the performance as well. As you know, the Jawa 42 with the 300cc capacity has a 76 piston and a 65 stroke, whereas the Jawa 350 has an 81 piston, so it's a larger bore, and the same stroke of 65 So looking forward to this engine rebuild and work, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Cheers guys.